Did you find the pig?
Still need to look for the pig.
Okay, let's go over here and look for the piggy wind-up thing, not the backpack. That's a little horse on the carousel. Come on, Bug. We gotta pay for our stuff. Emma, we gotta pay for our stuff. Okay, close the door. Say, excuse me, Mr. Bear. That's a bear. Okay, should we decide what we want? Let's take a look at this and decide what we want. Come here, let's look at all this.
No, here's my stuff.
Okay, what do we want in here? Do we want to get this?
Yeah.
Okay, I say let's leave this alarm clock to next time, okay? You like that one?
No, I need
You like the sparkle ball?
No.
You need the alarm clock?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, you bring it up. Let's go pay for it. We got a Mugsy and Millie. We got a Mugsy. I don't see a Millie, though. Okay.
Millie.
Okay, let's go get our things.
Where's Millie?
Where's Millie? Let's go look and see if we can find a Millie. Come on.
Millie.
I don't see a Millie. I don't see a Millie. Let me look for a Millie. Come here. That's just a play sandbox. Yeah, you can pretend you're out in the sand. Who's doing that? Mm-hmm. Emma, should we go buy these things? Okay, I'm going to go buy